Okay, okay, up to k is equal to 1, up to k is equal to 1, we are getting the maximum torque and it will become a constant. Okay, if the k is equal to more than the 1, if k values increases 1, 1.5, 1.1, so on, etc., we know the formula Tm is equal to, from these relations, Tm is equal to Tm by k square, Tm upon by k square. Okay, from the, by using this relation, if k values increases, the torque is going to be decreased. The maximum torque is going to be decreases here. Okay, this is the maximum torque at base speed or at base frequency. Okay, this is the torque at given frequency. This is torque at given frequency or operating frequency. Clear? If this k values increases, okay, k values increases, this values increases, then the torque is going to be decreases. So that's why the magnitude of the torque is going to be decreases like this. Clear? Again the k is increases. Okay, again the k is increases. Again the magnitude of this torque is decreases. Again this magnitude of this torque is decreases. If again still the k is values increases, so the magnitude of the torque is continuously going to be decreased. Continuously going to be decreased. Is it clear? So that's why what we can say here, up to base speed. Okay, base speed कब मिलता है अपन को? Okay, operating frequency is equal to rated frequency. Operating frequency is equal to rated frequency. When operating frequency is equal to rated frequency, the motor will run at the base speed. The motor will run at the base speed. So that's why what we can say, up to base speed, the motor will get the constant. Sorry, the motor torque is the motor torque is constant. If frequencies increases and the k values is also increases, okay, the operating frequencies increases, the k values is also increases. Okay, if the k values increases, the k values increases means the motor is operating at the more than the rated frequency. The motor is operating at the more than the rated frequency. If the motor is operating more than the rated frequency, then what we can say, the maximum torque is going to be decreases. The maximum torque is going to decreases. That's why, so the graph we are drawing like this. The graph here we are drawing like this. Okay, this is the base speed. This is the base speed, omega b. Okay, and this is the torque. This is the torque, and speed is increases. Speed increases, the torque is going to be decreases. The torque is going to be decreases like this. The torque is going to be decreases. So one of the most important question, draw the speed torque characteristics up to rated frequency and above the rated frequency. Okay, in your practical examination. Clear? Up to base speed, the motor torque is constant, and after that, the torque is going to be decreases. If the base speed is increases, that is the base frequency, sorry, frequencies increases more than the rated frequency, the magnitude of the torque is going to be decreases. The magnitude of the torque is going to be decreases. Clear? So for that purpose, in order to maintain the V by F is equal to constant, means for maintaining the constant torque up to base speed, we are going for the VBF is equal to constant method. Variable voltage and variable frequency is equal to constant. So means what we can say here, what we can say here, V by F is equal to constant means क्या होता है? V by F is equal to constant. What it means? Can anybody explain? If we are changing the voltage, Okay, we are changing the voltage, that is from V to V1, V to V1, and we are changing the frequency from F to F1. For example, this value we are getting, how much we can say, for example, 100 volts. So 105 volts. Okay, and frequency is 50 hertz. So how much we can get here? For example, 2.02, I think. Clear? The V1 by F1 is equal to, we are getting the 2.02. And again, we are changing the values of voltage and frequency. That is the V2 and F2. And V2, F2. Voltage is also changes from V1 to V2, and frequency is also changes from F1 to F2. For example, so like the same here also, if voltage changes from 125, voltage changes from 105 to 125, and frequency changes from 50 hertz to 60 hertz, and frequency changes from 50 hertz to 60 hertz. Clear? So what is the value of this one? 125 upon by 60, 2 point कितना आएगा? 125 by 60. What is the value of 125 60? How much? 2.08. 2.08. Clear? Means almost the same. Now V by F is equal to constant. This is the 2.02 and this is the 2.08. Means almost it should be a constant. Whatever we are changing the voltages and frequency, and that ratio V by F should be a constant values. Okay, this value should be a constant. Okay, 2.02, 2.02, 2.03, approximate almost all 99.9% should be same value आना चाहिए. कुछ भी changes करो आप. You can do the changes in voltage or frequency, but the value should be same. The V by F is equal to the value of V by F should be, we have to get same value, 2.02, 2.0, and so on, etc. For example, V1 by F1 we are getting, for example, V1 by F1 value we are getting 4.5. Okay, like the same way V2 upon, again we have changes of voltage and frequency. V2 by F2 is also, we have to get the 4.6 or 4.4 and so on, etc. Means 4.5 or 4.4, approximately same. So these values should be a constant. This value should be a constant. Okay, that is the meaning of this V by F is equal to constant. That is the meaning of this method. That's why they have given name for this method is V by F is equal to constant. V by F is equal to constant method. Okay, V by F is equal to constant method. We are going further to getting the constant torque up to base speed. Okay, constant torque up to base speed. Clear? So this is the one of the important topic your examination. So I will show you one textbook. I will show you one textbook, please. Screen is visible. टेक्स्ट बुक मैंने फोटो स्कैन किया. Screen is visible, please, all of you. Anyone?
Yes. Yes.
Yes. Okay. Okay. Thank you. Clear. So voltage by frequency control method, V by F control method. Okay. The voltage frequency control method is one of the methods of speed control of the three-phase induction motor. Okay. This is the one of the method is the to control the speed of the induction motor. The increase in supply frequency. The increase in supply frequency, whatever I have explained, again I'm repeating this. Okay, whatever is the whatever it is there in textbook, Okay, you can easily understand by going through this book. I have already uploaded this textbook in your Google Drive. Okay, so F is increases, the speed is increases and torque is decreases. Frequency increase किया तो torque decrease होता है. Next voltage increase किया तो क्या हो जाता है? Torque is increases. Okay, so frequency is increases, the torque will be decreases. Voltage is increases, the torque will be decreases. Okay, that's why from this relation, we are drawing this graph. We have drawn this graph. Clear? So in order to get the constant torque, we are going for the V by F is equal to constant method. V by F is equal to constant method. Clear? So this is the, so here we consider the reference V1 F1. So you can see here, this is the reference values V1 F1, and voltage is same, and frequencies increases from F1 to F2, V1 is same values. The speed is increases, but the magnitude of the torque is going to be decreases. Okay, next case, third case, voltage is increases from V1 to V2 and the frequency is same, F2 to F22. So some amount of magnitude of the torque is going to increase. Okay, so but we are not getting the constant torque. Okay, for that purpose we are going for the V by F is equal to constant. V by F is equal to constant. Whenever we are getting the V by F, voltage and frequency ratio is getting the constant values. So we are we will get the maximum torque and constant torque. Okay, we will get the maximum torque like this. Whatever the values of V by and F, but the ratio should be constant. So we can get the constant torque like this. We can get the constant torque like this. Clear? For that purpose, we are going for the V by F control method. Okay, so the change in the voltage frequency is a powerful method of speed control of induction motor. There are several variations where the V by F is raised. V by F ratio is also adjusted to provide the spatial operating performance. Okay, the most common method is the fixed V by F ratio. Okay, so we know the formulas. T maximum is equal to K into V by F whole square, where we are getting this equation. So already these equations we have derived in the basic equation. So we can go through that equations. Clear? So from this equation, what we can say, maximum torque is equal to K into V by F whole square divided by 2 pi into Ls plus Lr dash. Okay, stator inductance plus rotor inductance. Okay, means what we can say, the maximum torque is proportional to K into V by F whole square. The maximum torque is proportional to K into V by F whole square. Means it is directly proportional to the, V by F. Okay, it is directly proportional to the V by F, or we can say square of the Okay, this is the same value. V by F is the one value. Don't take another. V is different, F is different. Okay, we are taking the V by F is equal to constant. V by F is equal to some value. Clear? Okay, these equations already we have derived. We can go through the derivations. Next, from the above expression, from the above equation, V by F ratio motor develop the constant maximum torque except at low speeds or low frequency. So therefore, the motor operates is in constant torque mode. Okay, here, this is the relation between the voltage and frequency. Okay, this is the relation between the graph between the voltage and frequency. This is the base frequency. Clear? If voltage is increases, okay, voltage increases and the frequency is also increases, so it is linearly increases like this. Okay, so after base frequency, so the voltage will become a constant, because if the rated voltage is 230 volts, okay, the rated voltage is equal to 230 volts. If rated voltage is equal to 230 volts, so we can increase the value from 0 to 230 only. Okay, we can change the voltage or we can increase the voltage from 0 to 230 only, from 0 to 230. If whenever this voltage is reached the maximum value 230 volts, so this voltage cannot be changes. This voltage cannot be changes. Is it clear? This voltage become a constant because more than the rated voltage we cannot apply. अगर आपका पास 230 volts ही है, 0 to 230 volts तक vary कर सकते हैं. अगर more than 230 तो नहीं कर सकते ना. So that's why. So whenever this voltage reaches the maximum value, the voltage become a constant. The voltage become a constant. Clear? So but even the frequencies increases. So why we are discussing this topic here? So here you can see here, because we are drawing the waveform like this, speed torque characteristics. Clear? Okay, this is up to base frequency. Base frequency. How we can write this one? FB लिख सकते हैं क्या अपन? Can we write FB? F rated. Also we can write the F rated. This point. Okay, so we are getting the maximum constant torque. We are getting the constant torque. Clear? Next. After this point, the voltage become a constant. Okay, voltage become a constant. For example, voltage is equal to 230. Voltage is equal to 230 and frequency is equal to 100 Hz. That is equal to how much we can get here? 2.3. 2.3. Clear? After this point, so next value, the voltage is same after base frequency. So voltage is same. Voltage cannot be increased because voltage is reached the maximum value. So beyond this value we cannot increase. So voltage is same, but frequency we can increase. For example, frequency is increases 150 Hz. For example, frequency still is increasing. Then what? How much we can get this value? How much we can get this value? 1.8 something, na? Is it right? $1.53. Okay, so 1.53. 230 by 150 is equal to 1.53. 1.53 means the speed is the value is decreases. Value is decreases. Okay, the torque is also decreases. The torque is also decreases. Again, we can increase the frequency. Voltage we cannot increase. 230 upon by 200. 230 upon by 200. Okay, 230 upon by 200. How much we are getting here? 1.03. Is it right? 1.03. 230 by 200. How much? How much, please? 200. 230 upon by 200. What is the value of 230 by 200?